Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. Launch your Insta application and tap on this plus icon. Select Reel. Tap on this upload icon to the bottom left corner. Tap on this icon to select multiple photos. And now select your photos and tap on next. Wait until audio added to your clips, and from this list you can select any audio and then tap on next. Tap on next. Now tap on next and tap on share, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.